ikasto'y akong gawa. Bika ang sangsangit at ako'y ayak ko. Diyan kaya't ang makita ang hulong daan ka. Nag-iipapaklang ko, lagip ko palulit at apapanang siksik ang tulata. Bika ang sangsangit at ako'y ayak ko. Kasdami ako ang singsing-penkan ko. Noon nagdoon ikasibay mo, sabay kuman bayad katalaksan. Umanay alagitin, nagod ang iling na. Kasdami ako ang singsing-penkan ko. Noon nagdoon ikasibay mo, sabay kuman bayad katalaksan. Umanay alagitin, nagod ang iling na. Siya kaya ang kita ng daan.
Magda Udyay Tanganan Lipatenkan tubel Erang jak tunjay kanen Kita sana mabaline yang tangay sisiyan
Sedap mo sa Jumboy yun. Sedap mo sa Jumboy.
Tartaret-teret Alipaten
Cari, tagasin lang ni Julie ah. Nya, Roy, chicken ka. Ini utos na. Tagasin tayo.
Sing-sing-pit.
Ano pangalan? Maganda pangalan dito.
ikut sumina Inakuyen nuli na pakita ikan tulong daan Tuakan ang pinalin na Kawalan langit ko Dahil kaya Tunggu dahil di manungko Isut kaangat Kuwata palikot ko Keviliway na Kumapatay kay ko'y puso
Hindi kami makasika. Tatay amin ay.
Kayang narigat Iyawan ikaw anong Karinggan Gawad sa lalan na Awanin Ingsun nagsuli Ay di atulukin Ayang yang aku Iyawan pagsatna Laring ng pangang Gawad sa sakit din yang kapay manungan Mangipangay kaasig Kelmang damayan Ang tumalay Aksyonan na kunara Tidak tumaakta Ikot tumungaman Tidak tumaakta Okay. Thank you, thank you.
Southern Barangay Club, Zone 3, Zone 4, and Zone 6. Was founded by Olivia and Cyril Nostasio. One of
Body the SBC nung kantata ni Nungboy. Ni Nungboy na mahilig ng binti. Kita ini kanta nila bagatan sa mga as requested by the children to do the singing Ilocano songs para kanila, para kanila Nungboy at para kanila.
Tiyak parang kanya na sa midunay Sigugutok ko'y puso niraksa Dagos nga mapangaran Naming sikat Nagdarepder kanyak yumapay ay talalawang tiyak parang kanya nasa mitunay si Guguto ay puso liraksa Dagos na ang araw Namin sigat Makasarakan Ipintas ka na yun Nasa sangitan Pagod na ka Kay suna dayat ko Bigren kalaran yun Aman silang ko'y alam ko Kakapagkan di puso Binibiro ka Lamang kepangan Tuy kay suna Kayat ko Ibren kalaran yun Amang silang ko'y alam ko Diyak gigiren Tiyak to kinayan Kapukin ka Uray pakataya Pag-check na ang nalayo I-agresan Sikat lang magdako ay tanemen nemitan saan nga papalinen ay itemyaya malati ng pagtuken nirantang ay siksika ina ay ayaten kantong wen ngematapon ay tanemen ngemitan saan nga mabalinen ay item biyaya alagi ng pagtuken yan ay siksika tina ay
Thank you very much.
Yatuyako at tuyang nawawawak ken tao yako kengem katoy ononoy ko agriing ka talaga at natulog ko ngendo may dum inagigas kaso
Alam na maglulukin maglulundo.
tumatayap sa ginatuwing kantara kanya't masikati ang elko kay ngungot ko biyak ko at tuyak na umawawag ken kaubyak ko tinggen katoy ononoy ko agriing ka talaga at natulog ko ng lupay ko dilagigas kaso payanag na agluwag ng lindong tumatayap sa ginatuwing kantara kanyak na sikati ang elko di mo ka ipaida yang takasin na pagkakangka yang tangay ketsiksika ina ay ayaten iten kanyak ni ayat marisot dami kong magsa ay wen ko kasyan na ilatuken di mo ka ipaidam yang terhasil pagkakamdam yang tangay ketsiksika ina ay ayaten item kanyak ni ayat aison dami ko ken magsan ay wen ko kasyan na
Like the pipe. Okay.
Ito'y puso, ibang iparin na, nga'to'y ayat ko, kawanin selselina, lupang panunutin, Nilaing siksika Doa gayata Iti sabari Oso kenrik na Kastan mauyo When pachegon Nayak ko magayakin Hindi sabari No kilay
Babalik!
No, tiang pati semana, so nabi nagkadwa nila tayo, kami naman pwede.
Grupo!
Okay. So nga, iso na talagang isoro-soro kanya pinigiti Latin nga kwa, nga section. No, awan so na, hamyam mo, di kanta. Kasi no, yung nang di sila vacation na legit tinarigat. So nga, awan ni Marong mo yun, may kami nga.
Domino!
Ada simulat. Ada simulat sir.
Yes! Why not? Nakagrupo kita to.
Laing uyak ko, isurat na malayayo Kenang tukay to'y pinagpanagrayo Pinakaod na ayat ko anapuno Limosing metra, kapupintas mo Dayto'y laing di inaken kayalay Naputpuno na yanay-ganay Tasin naranay, takido sa akin namay Di kantong malipatan, hingganang elparay Ay ngubiyak ko, isulat na layayon Senang tukay to'y pinagpanagrayo Pinakaot na ayat ko manapuno Bimbusin medra, kapupintas mo Dayto'y laing di inaken kayalay Dapat puno na yakaling-akay Dasin na nanay, dito sa akin nanay Di kanton maripatan, hingganan ken matay Yaku, inay-ayak ka kinalibe
Uy nga, putput na matagay.
Angel mo tinang silaw, tuy dalan ko ngay may Napluken ka at paay Yaku, inay-ayak ka kinalibe Uy, lakin ka malise
Uy nga, putput na matagay.
Angel mo tinang silaw, tuy dalan ko ngay may Napluken ka at nga agkes na. Tutiya pagdarikpat, ganyak panauya talaga. Emuray umayak, betag puna, kadagitaling Diyos, moken lang payan.
One more!
Sabi na nabati.
One more!
At ang sabi na nabati, sir.
Ni Aurea Peralde, adding the husband ni Malamuni. Na asigal na ito yung mga pamilya, kaputa, nasayaan daw ng yung pamilya. So, anak na nagbuwa-duwa ni Pagano niya. Although, awan din prepare ko actually, so Jack pa yung muno kasakot sequence na tinechrology, so very clear. And then we try to speak as much as English as possible so that kids can go with us also. So, good evening once again to friends and family. We are gathered here this evening with heavy hearts to pay tribute to the late Tatang Boy Buenafe. We are here not only to mourn the passing of a memorable individual, but to celebrate a life dedicated to service, integrity, and love for community. His legacy leaves an indelible mark on all of us, and we are honored to pay our final respects to a true father, a true sibling, and a true friend. Can we all stand for our opening prayer? Let us put ourselves in the presence of the Lord, in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. O comforting one, compassionate one, lead us all when we suffer loss and ache with the pain of grieving. Give us a glimpse of the way it will be when love will never be taken away, when life itself will not be diminished, when all that we hold most precious will live and remain with us forever. We ask this through Christ our Lord. Amen.
From the speech for my brother. 5 minutes lang na marami dito po. Okay. Goodbye, brother. For nearly 3 years, I watched you fight, enduring so much pain, yet never letting it break your spirit. You were the strongest person I've ever known. My heart was shattered seeing you in much pain. The last time we spoke, you have shown much hope that you can recover, but it was just a hidden feeling. You had much talk, unknowingly, the time is too cruel. Just a bit slip, I was awakened because of the news that you are now in comatose. I cried aloud. I wish I could be there to hold you when you are, to hold your arms for the last time. It kills me that I couldn't be there in your final moment to tell you how proud I am of having a good brother like you. But I hope my last words, I love you. I love you, I love you. These 3 words are tantamount to much love and care because I know you were pampered so much in our family. You were a warrior, a survivor, and now you finally can rest. No more pain, brother. No more exhaustion. Just peace. You give me everything you give everything for us, financially and emotionally. You've been my mentor, and I would like to tell that loudly. You've been my mentor since I was a kid until now. And even when your body was weak, you find time to talk with us, sharing your last moments, and it kills me again and again. How lovable you are to our family. We will treasure and carry that love forever. Thank you for carrying me till I grow. Thank you for being my planner. Thank you for being my architect. Thank you for listening my prayers. For I know that God is with you now and forever. I love you, brother, more than words can say. My dear Mano, fly high, my dear brother, till we meet again. I love you more than words can say. But I would like to share a good moment with my brother. Iso ngamin tikas na ng padakkel ti pamilya mi because we are raised with a broad family. Iso na ngamin ti he's our guidance counselor pa. Iti nag-put up kami iti school buildings in Abra. My first word was, brother, can we do it? Kunana, una din para ti pamilya. Now, we form, we organize, we plan everything until such time that we have reached the top. We were able to build 30 school buildings in Abra through his guidance. Nakalain timanong ni awan timakuna. Is a very true brother. Ado timpay na kanya kami, ado inated na kanya kami, financially and emotionally. Awan timakuna ni. Manandi, even Manong will be away. Please bear in mind that we will never change you na kayo amin nga kakanagaan kami tupulos ng value, not a bit. Hindi bagap kanya yung anak ko because my brother is no longer around. Kapsat ko, itong bigatahan kami tulog. Pagwanan na, mahang pero may tulog ka po na. Kaya't ko, na amin na marami perfect. We did our best. And I hope we will meet again. I love you, Manong ko. I love you so much. Ako ipagpag di Manong ni kasama yung bahay.
Kaya kung malipatan din ba kayo marunong hindi pa nagagawa na pag putikan ngayon na nakakuha yung sulit na bayaan na panahon sa kami kumasitan ko lang yung natinigatan sa pagkanar kasi dito yung tinulis na nasarap na malaman. Anyway, once again, thank you, Auntie. Amor na the word na thank you will never be enough for how Tatang provided everything for all of your siblings. Mamis tayo aming piloto na tatapis kami dyan kaya maraman kami ang luxurious foods nalimbag na foods at kaluan Tagigirap recipe na share ni Mana Elvin. Thank you, Auntie, for that message.
Pastor na Piliyon paparaw. Temporary lang kanya, sunod forever.
Talaga man.
Ayan. I really siya, I'm not prepared. Type ko. So with that, this sudden passing, talagang nasabi ko na kasi in-open heart surgery that time in 2023 in the US was after his birthday. And yung bagay yung doktor na about 6 to 10 years na ayaw ko na yung doktor. So we were so happy. Yung digital surgery na it was a long surgery. That was January 4, of 2023. And he did have a 5-minute setback. At ang mumi, awan sumawan kanya that year. Ang lumaan, necrolong by 3 years, 2.5 years. Anyway, fast forward to February 2026. After February 14, nagrigatan na lungs. Nasuga na kami bag. Bagay doktor na nasugat dito yun. Blood flow issue. Tapos, Friday, February 20, yung Friday, manang po, dahil trabaho, Friday, manang po natin ko si ER. And he was diagnosed of low oxygen dose volume, high blood pressure, uncontrolled, tapos, okay pa lang mo dijay. Na-control na, picture ko pa, he was okay. Until Monday, February 2023. That was Monday, February 2023. That is US time. 2026, February 23, 2026. Nagpas JEE na kita na di puso na at talaga flat na. So, nga angus. So nga hindi niya maririganan kung complain na nabara di barukong na, taga pacemaker na. Tapos afternoon, pinagpakan ko by lunch. Kami nga, kung agdalayin tayo flu A. It was considered for influenza A. Tapos, pinagpakan ko by lunch. Baka kinahanin ko. Tapos, kinarabihan na, nakasasauna namin ay haan. At the same time, nag-video call kami, DJ. Kasing si Mita. At that time, ni Auntie Sally, na katay naman. Although, naipagami ka niya na handa na intunaran nga awan na Auntie Sally ni. Asawa niya ang kalanjang day Santa Rosa. Ikuan, nakito, naka-FaceTime na ni T-Mark, ni Along. Sabi, sino na nakalungon? Alam ka mumiyakam. Pagkagsabi na, pag-sangit tayo mo. But then, knowing that is very generous and very helpful, di mo na binabag na, anya, dito tayo. You know? It's always been like that. I'm not surprised. Tapos, hindi siya, pinapagtatang na, iparabangon ni US time, kinasasauna namin nakakapsat na, kami nakakalakan. Hindi ako mo, tayo bagada na, mas nasay, ayan. Bakpakada, kasi di siya nga same afternoon. Wala na nalimanan ko, walang kamanti, and sure nga, Manila ko, imas di siya. Tapos, natubigatan lang kasi gawin ka magdad, diba? Ang doktor na gawin magdad, kinabigatan na. Although, sa nagpalpalit na, malit na siguro nga kasi hindi pa lang ER, which is very first time. He's been in the ER for many times. He's had surgery. He's been, he's in and out of the clinics and the doctors. Tapos, di time na dinamag ni doktor na wala na yung pasyente. Nyati, kaya't mo aramiding umikan ka, noon niya man, di makasama. Kung na makasama ka kanya, di ka niya aramiding umikan ka. Tapos, ay English ka, tapos, i-interpret ko ba? Kasi awan niya hearing aid na. Tapos ko na si doktor, abay, basta ko na ba interpreter? Haan, maka-English din ha. Masili, natatang. Pero pa, hanggang kami nga binaro niya hearing aid na. Tapos, dijay, una na ni tatang. Do whatever you can, do whatever you can to revive me. Ang kumiling is istorya, kanina nang kasi personally kasi ininot ni DJ Ting kasi pero it's after hospital. DJ, wala na kami doktor, DJ, nag-admit ka niya na do whatever you can in your power to revive me. No, makita mo nga ako ka. If you know when you see me that I can't do it anymore, I can't make it anymore, then just let me go. Please, let me go. Napigtok na kasi including teenagers, open heart surgery natin 2023. Never na Singapore yan. Never na Singapore yan. Ikaw ang nanigan, protocol mo kasi lang ginawa mo, bantay kanya na. So, nagbabay kami ng tatang ni Monday, February 23. Tapos, February 24, kabigatan nga. At 6:30 and 7. Tumawag yung doktor. 24. Tumawag yung doktor. Wala na. At least tumawag ka naman kung muna nga sumbatan. Siya, sinong bata ka nakay Dr. Arlene na nakay kami. St. Francis Hospital. Tapos, magana. Anak na ka ni Roger. Dati, American name ni Tatang Migat ang Aurelio. It's Roger. He goes by Roger. Yeah, so, Roger. Wala kang aron. Ang Aurelio kon. Roger. So, kung ano, Pedro ka dito eh. Ibalik nga Peter. No, one ka dito eh. Ibalik nga John. John.
Like a John.
Di ba yung magali doktor na kwan? Itatang niyo, nag-value status na ako. Kasano ko ako? Nakachat na, lagi niya, kansa na, lalas na stroke. No, pa, kumikayo dito sa hospital. Naman kami namin, nakita mi. That is, kawanan talaga. They try to revive him, nakita lang ako. Clot na left-sided clot, tapos is right-sided stroke. So, awan na kumatos, ICU, manungal daw. And at the same time, hinanang yun, natagis mo na while magdalo sila ICU. That mom was also, she had a mild heart attack. So nga nagbigat kasi hindi ni doktor na hamili magbaga ito susto kasi baka makayanan makatake manin or baka handle pain or stuff. How many days? February 24 na coma. February 28 na we decided as siblings and family na i-transition me to home care. Tapos, hindi siya yung harabi na kami binalunan ni kanang na. After ko binalunan ni magasap kami datang. Si Bang naman ang meeting, nag-emergency flight to the US. Ginamag ko kay datang, nung abay tang, ang magaling nga, ang titawang mag-design. Kasi ininanang, nakake, nagtitirong na, ganyan man di ko papanungkit kita ni nana. Mangtid ka man design kasi madimi ang muno no niya karamihan ni. Although I already know the answer dan. Mangtid ka design. Ang design na no hindi ICU days na. So mong bats mo na di machine, no kabata lang mo kumamano ako ag-alarm ni machine. Diyan mo no coincidence, man mo na si Ribla una ni tatang ni awang matiway na, makakasaw. So, ba't ni machine? O no, musta kalitan? Kasi no, pamatos ka, your last sense is the sense of hearing. So, at dahil sunod yun. So, yung time around before 7:30, ambok marit na ako. Tapos nagawid ako. Pag-awid ko, timawag kay doktor, ang desisyon kay kuman. No rush, no soonest. Tani tatang yung marigligatan nun. Awan karamihan ni sabi ng itiagas na. Awanan mo mapalinan ni. So di jay. That night, in transition me, tatang ni to comfort care. Tapos, 11:30 p.m. to February 28, 2026. Sorry. Manulang halos 15 minutes lang, next to wait na, tapos palang pause na. Awanin, 11:30, awanin. Nag-FaceTime ko, to perspective, hindi nga ako, na Pilipinas, walang lamay, kami, Timi, Santa Rosa. Gadlading galito tapos magpampabuksit kami mo dyan, may takan-takan. So nga, nakatagpag siya. Imensahe na bagan atang wala na ka siguro ko. Okay ako. Ang kayo alam ni Nana. Ang kayo alam ni Nana. Kasi sulit yung pigatan. Kasi manuhan daw ang unstable ni Nana. Ni Nana, sabi nga na angioplasty. So, thank you. Thank you now for the sign. Thank you for your unconditional love. Oray no, near the last minute, the last, the akong sing, inaanang yung hindi dahil. So, umiyaman tatangin. Tapos may problema. Kusok no tayo ipag ako yung nanang ngingatan. Makadomingo kami na pampamagin na. Kingana din na nalpas ka na angioplasty, sabi ng ibaga. Although nanang kalahin na nang tamagin mo rin na doon ni Saldaw. Kumusta rin tatang yun? Hindi status ni Jai. Good ba? Okay lang yun. Lang. Same status. Nagbalik. Magkita ni Jai kasi. Dahil lang ni Jai sa'yo. Dahil lang isip. Nagsisira kami ako. Saan naman nagpantay na? Sabi ko na alit ako. Hindi na. Tapos may sabi ko, ang umaga ko mga astray na daw mo mga kadwa. Hindi na-pick up na did not get home. Wow. After how many days? 2 weeks, sabi ko nakita, viewing na. Tapos 5 hours lang. As in fly, the following week, in fly na to Pilipinas. It was it's been long journey for Tatang. And pasensya kayo ng kurati. Kami na bakasyon nila kami kalpya. Pasensya. Kasi hindi ko mukha ngunit yung kanita. Ang mukha. Pasensya kayo na. Kasi gawin yung tatang. Hindi lang. Nakasakit lang kung although sana ko na kasta talagang tinag. Papa-stay pumunta ng mga namin. Yan. For I wanted to eat sauce for not even a word. Eh, di lang siguro ko may pag-akit. Your work is finished now. And it's done perfectly. You raised us well. Thank you so much. And I love you so much. And thank you for taking care of my son, Jamari, and my daughter, Jamie, and my bunso, Johnny Joaquin. Nagyakan kami. Itarang ka na ng meeting Cubs na po yung galing na ako. Iso na nasakit loon na hindi kinakawang ng tatang. Paborito na niya yung nauna. So, tingin mo na nga po na ilutan na, silang lao, kadakadi. You know, iba na yung nakla dyan, medikal na kayo ng ako, makakot ng Ilocano, sila ng Ilocano po. Kapukal tatang, each round. Kapukal tatang, kapukal iluto na. Aduti memories. So, ay, mga malpasal ko yung rabi, tigil natin Josie. Memories, pwede siya lang ni Tatang. He's a very generous man. Talaga nakuhatin ako na. Dati, nauli ka sa passion ko. Kailang ang pangungunan namin, si Dayo. Si Dayo nyo, kahit di mo lang ka. Comfort problema na lalita, bisita. Hindi lang lang ako. Yeah, muli sa pagpataan ni Manang ko. Ni Manang Monday. Ni Manang Kusi. Ading ko dyan. Awan niya ading niya no dyan ni Paul ta. I-pray dokta ko. Ang dabay mo ito, ubing na bawasit. So, tawang. Thank you.
you so much. Thank you everyone for being here tonight. To celebrate the life of our Tatang Boy. You know, losing him was one of the hardest things I've ever faced. But as I stand here and seeing everyone who took time out to be with him on his last night, I realized how proud and lucky I am to have him as my tatang. Tao wasn't really big on I love yous. Hindi siya ma I love you. But he shows his love by cooking for you. That's his love language. I remember when I was still in college, he would come visit me in Baguio and always cook adobo and with egg and ambrosia because he knows those were my favorite. And when we were younger, making in Ladi has been a core memory for us siblings because all of us would gather around the dining table to help him make the pastry we all love. During my first visit to the US in 2009, he prepared dinner for me and Lex, my husband. Adobin niluto na pinakbal, chicharon, nanggala, dabay patupat na ninalpas kami kuna ang pagalingan bigat pinagtong magkatay American food na syempre nagkapong na Pilipinas. Naumuha ko nagtipid na Pilipino food eh. But you know, I was just kidding. Of course, I appreciated all his efforts in preparing all those delicious food. His love for food sometimes gets extravagant. Tang loves exotic fish. So when he sees one, okay nung nangina, ulpit na, favorite natin si Xiao, Pasga, Ludo, bigyan kita pabirot na kanyang tiyandaan. Kaya natin mo nung dapat daraksan, yung nasit, o yung na nilapida. Yung season di ipon, nagpa-hoarding. It made me buy 15 kilos before. I would sit and stock them in the fridge, waiting for months, and gana ng pag-awit from US, susudat ko di mangi tet Kenyana. But when he already had a heart problem, na-reduce 5 kilos lang yung ipon na, nagpagatang na, kapawan na ng Kenyana. God maganin yung mga natas ang nabasit. And when he and Nang were stuck here during pandemic, inaanda ko pa ng senda. Ako magtuloy na nga, nakasurok ko ng 500 pesos, i-machenda natin gudwada. But sometimes, he cooks and delivers food for me and Lester. Ang motor ko may Quezon 5. Uwi nakapagpudot, uwi nakamikan, sila kami sinilas. These are just some of the things that I miss so much about you, love. I miss your voice, your everyday video calls. Hindi kita request mo nga, si ipa-repair mo man dito, ano ba man si Kapit, pero ipasipa man kini ang mo dito, Every corner of this house will always remind me of you, ka. Takad pinag-project na dito yung bagay. And I'm sorry, because I wasn't able to grant some of the house repairs that you've asked. I'll try to do my best to grant all your requests next year. Ano ba yung nakita dyan? Bagay nila. Thank you, Amin, for helping me and let's build our home. Sayang ka, may mga kita yung designs. Di ba like yung suggest mo? Tatang has a big heart too. He's very generous, not only to his family, but also to his siblings. Hindi ka man
Ika ni Uncle Woody Lastoy. Ika man ni Uncle Yasday. And I'm happy and grateful to see how your siblings love and adore you. Taka na yung dahan, ganito'y tahan, na tumutulong ganyan. It's a never-ending thank you for everything that from me and Les. Rest in God's loving arms, tatang ko. I love you so, so much.
Thank you, Nancy. As the eldest, I know you've done everything. Anyway, magaling na ba ni June? Or not? I can call my manong Edgar to say something and Lester also, maybe they can join together. Naglumlumang ta ni manong ko Edgar to ni Lester.
Agyamang gabi ko na tulong mo kaya pinagayang mo niya mo. Ang dami ko naman day. Kaya nang naluro na kanyami ni Lester. Pag nakalitindindaan, ubing na ubiga din natin ni yung kiraan yung tinalaing na po yung bakit na natin niya tinumak ke tigang ko na rin natin itatang ni nga meeting na rin natin itatang Roel saan ay ayatin na kaunetan naginalatan.
Ikinalaing ni Tatang is almost the same with my tatang, although ijay na papulod, so luto na. Ano nga, sa bali, tinuto kayo. Luto, kada kumakan, pagpapatangan. Okay, exactly this one. And as what Manungan said, he will testify how great he is in cooking, not just cooking, to go above, beyond every time. Kanay kong isiniti pag-ikapo kasi makarelate na. Sumapasensyaan na kasi emotion na pero ulan eh. Check kung makapatangin. Anyway, I would like to call on Emerson. Emerson wants to say something.
No. Kahit yan ang makamamukha niya sa Emerson sa buhay ito. Makilala ito eh. 2 blocks away. Nagtuloy na ang pagkarating ng pamilya since 1998. Hindi na ikapaking ada. I want ko, to be honest with you, napanglawak lang, pero nag-meet kami rin ang first time I met him at 2006. Ever since then, he accepted me for who and I am. Kaya not done rin, ikanak the chance ko magparing we ever had the ups and downs, but you gave me a chance. You always believed in me. Mung narawang ka ng full si Mary, si pamilya, as it is right now. And I would never be the man that I am. No one thing na susurukin niya talaga yung tao. Most importantly is to run priority niya ng pamilya. He's a man who doesn't care. Nung tamang baka na nagbati niya, nawawang itig namin. Tapi nag-start kami yung American tinarigang biyak ng mga aming tinalaka. We all start somewhere. Diba, pag-alay, kami nga nakapag-start, kasi aming kami nakuha si tatang. So aming nung niya man din dangin namin at tamang state nga pedisyon na ako Diyos. Kaya ka lang nalipunan tayo ni tatang. In-raise na niya namin, tinutulungan namin. So kami, diyan namin makawag Ilocano.
Kapunin tata. Ang amin nga, nakipagkuha na kami amin suna amin yung tutulong namin ang pagbalakil. Baka kami trabaho, ayaw ni tata. Sumuntod kami, luto ni tata. So, adan ko hindi kakatulan nga dati di admin ang plus nga overcome who knows. Kasi lang, thank you ako sa ngayong mga alingay ginyami iya ni tata ginyami napalalo na bagay so nga may kawin kami tumawan suna ako. Thank you niya namin.
Ikupo. Tanong bagada na siya di Sumarita.
Pinapasubo ko nila.
Kapilitan nga tumpal ka. Be a good soldier. Ay, I was a very small boy. Hindi kasasawa siguro ni Manong Boy. Ni Manang Carmelita. The first time I saw him he was one of the mentee of Mr. Ramos. Yeah, Mr. Ramos, kasama sila nung Willie, and then the first time I saw him, he was playing the bass guitar. He's a good one, the bajo, the big one. So he's a good bajo player. You don't know, right? Tayo nga anak na, you don't know. He's a good, but he's better with the guitar, ramasin na di gitara. So when we sing there, itakabong-abong, ado kay ni style ng tukar, ilubing kami dati kitipay mo, tas tatatang iti, well, pumirit, tatatang dito no, dito iti kakadwana. As years go by, when they're growing old, we came to love the songs that they were singing. So we tried to learn them. Those are the songs which we sang a while ago, and there will be more. Willie, Boy, but the mentee na nasurwada ng Boy kini nung Willie kini Mr. Ramos was nung Pepe the one playing the guitar niya. So he plays well also with us. So their group and the group before, the first group, they were called Serenaders. If you, Namunanti. Oh yeah, Serenaders. I don't know if Manong Boy is a part of that Sudaran Kaldiwi or what. Now, hindi na kami matenti baling youngsters. We had a group, telang grupulaan ng inom. We only gather and we sing. We take the guitar and we sing during inuman time. And we were able to develop the voicing. Kasi kung kami ito kasi kung biro kang di buses mo. Kasi kanyari ako, kami na nanilagnota. And we learned that from Manong Boy. Then Manong Boy, napanmot jay America, napadawat Kilimana. But there's one very memorable, I wasn't able to join them, one holiday. A very memorable, inibitaran ni Manong Boy, Manong Iba, my brother, ni Nung Pepe, kaya mo si Morpe ng kikinyong ini, Nung Bibi. Napanda nag-lecture jay, ang danong tubang. It was a Good Friday, and what was very memorable was timpapulutan da sa nga planggana na chicharon. Napilitan nga na nga kaya kamunin sa laban. But there was one of them who did not eat the meat. Pero napilitan na kasi si anan ng munda rin di pa mapanglas na chicharon na sa nga planggana. Iso na iti aming nabalipatan. So nga Yung siya kala kami unay na may susurot hindi kanyada. Pero, another memories ko kini Lumboy, aside from being a musician and a good singer also, baka niyo mo na rin maglang kumanta ni Papa Mio. Man, so good. Kita naangaw. Moyo di paparteri di ta, kamajungan di ta, hindi. Kanyang murigay. Dahil kanong rodi ito. So,
Memory kita. Inanang. Ang mabiro ko nilatang mo.
may sarap ang biro kang kasawa, hindi. Already tatang ni. Dilaan. Tabaga sirok sa ramagi, tabaga balitang sirok sa ramagi. So, naangaw. Right? Naangaw. Tunto nagpastimadyo. Then they take the guitar. Dato mo Teresa Templa de Jena. Gin with the Coke or lemon lime. Saka mo nabutan yung lemon lime. Na yun nabutan na Yoria. Nung si Kamin nabutan. Nawala yung lemon lime. Kaya ito, apo, tunto lampas niya yung tutukadan, kakantadan at sasalan at tumay. And we kids enjoyed that. And we wanted to do that. We wanted to do the same. Mga kami lang makasala dahil may mga muli di sumala. But the singing that they had before, that's what we learned from them. And hopefully, we will be able to pass this to the next generation. But our kids now, dito yan tayo, walang nagkaka-interest. But what we are doing now is, kung nakikita nyo meron kaming kodiko, we wrote that last night. They wrote that last night only. And computer da, may copy na tila kami maarabi na siguro so penalty kahit hindi din tila lakay. Dami lang maarabi din is to record it. Even if we will no longer be in this earth, in this world, the young ones should be able to listen to it with the corresponding lyrics. Then they will learn it. And kani,
Someday we can make it happen.
yeah, hopefully, parang no, kadami ito pala, hindi tinulubong, we will be able to do that here. No, makita yung mga giwa po, the songs that we are singing, it's not being sung in other places. Yeah. Siguro, ilang mga yun, ilang Duba Buelpa. Duba Buelpa. There are still other songs which you have not heard, but it's only sung here in SBC. And we learned that from them. Really, Lumboy, sila yung doon kami na, I don't know kung sinong kumumpos doon, basta kinakanta na nila, di tortulado ni Mutana. Well, basta kinakanta na nila. We take it, we sing it. But we are not able to sing it as best as they sang before. When, nasisiglat na, hindi na makay. Ang movie ba, pero dalam siguro natin banag na may masukat-sukatan ni Muten, pero the originals was sung that how many years back. So, Malumboy, itinagan ti grupo, ti SPC nga kumakanta. We want to say our gratitude for teaching us. We will cherish the memories that we had with you when we sang the Lexio, when we were at the Balitang Sirok Saramagi, over Jaya Desiditi Balay Midita. Na siraragsak kami na nakasama na ka. We were part of your life, and we were part of your life, and you were part of our life. Thank you very much, and we wish that the Almighty and will send His angels to receive you in His eternal kingdom. Diyaman kami ng boy and just the agina ako na utini Lucano. Then sapay ko agkikipa tayo tumot laing di pagarian ni Apo Diyos. Thank you very much ako.
One more song.
Nagka-away na attend yung ICU. Nurses ka na, nursing aides na. Una na, thank you. Ano, tas na. Thank you. Wala na. So, may I ask everyone to stand up. Yeah. So, or Lolo Boy, whatever you call him. Lolo Boy, Tatang Boy, Manong Boy. Thank you. May rest in peace.
How precious is the